Yes, here comes the TV. Just be careful, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this Hisense U6KR. So this is a U series. This is a mini LED, 65 inches class, and this is powered by Roku. So there's another version which is the higher than U6KR is the U6K, which runs on Google TV. So I chose this U6KR because of the Roku TV, and this is the affordable mini ULED that you can find in the market now. And this is a 2023 version, version of Hisense ULED TV. So let's start by opening this box. Okay, and then this tape. I'm going to replace my 10-year-old Philips LED TV. You can see in the back. I bought that around, I think it's $500. This one is 800 Canadian dollars. This is mini ULED, so I believe this is better for affordable TV, which is good in bright environment. As you can see, it's very bright here. I have two big windows on the side, around maybe around 5 by 5 feet window. And so inside these legs, the Roku remote. It has this Netflix, Disney, Apple TV, and Crave. You can also use the voice command. Anyway, guys, the other side is also the leg. And the width is 57, the height is 38 inches. So remove this first, and then now lift it up. This should be done by 2%. Alone here. Careful not to drop. Okay. For the packaging, we have this thick cardboard with this foam. This is the back. Prepared it wrong way, so I have to repeat this one. Okay. This is up front. So I already removed the box and removed the old TV. I will directly install it to the wall using the wall mount that I bought from Costco. This will fit 37 to 90 90 inches size of TV, and the pounds is 150 pounds max. So here, these are the screws for the wall mount bracket, and let me remove this one. Remove this. So I got the M6 screw, the washer, and the spacer. This is 2.5 millimeter, and yeah, these are included in the wall mount that I bought from Costco. This wall mount direction on how to use it. So it's, the arrow is up, so this is like this. Yeah, I'll just open this completely. Oops. Put the washer first, side, and here, and I put the spacer, not the washer, and then so the spacer is in between the bracket, and then we use this washer. Remember not to lean on the TV, don't put any pressure so you will not damage the LCD on the screen. Just a second. It's better to do it this way. Put it here first, and then on the other one. And just remember what's the word to use. And like this. Alright, I have 2 screws already. This is a nice spacer, it holds your screw, so it's easier to align. And then now we can screw it to the TV. Okay, and I'll do the same on the other side. Now I connected both support bracket. I will now hang it through this another wall mount bracket. This is around, I don't know, 20. Okay. I feel that it has, but I will still hold on to it. Yep. Alright. Okay, so that's dangerous, but I'll take the risk. Don't do it alone because I cannot see the hook. But yeah, now it's hang. You can now remove it slowly. Or I could change the angle first. Right. Remove this. And yeah, you can see this is still down because I have to do it so that I can hang it easily. Alright, I don't know if I can see it here. I have to tilt it. Oops. There. Tilt it up. And so this one. Okay. Okay, so this is. Let's kind of move forward, and then I can see the bottom. Yeah, there's a screw. Okay. Okay. Let's have one more. That should be 2 screws, but I cannot find the other one. Anyway, when I find it, I will put it there. I have to tighten it. Okay. So, what's nice with that wall mount is it can be tilted sideways. But yeah. Okay. So clean up first, and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is 65 inches, and now that I'm done installing it, I can remove this protective carton or plastic. Get your remote and AAA batteries. After installing the AAA batteries included in the box, it will pair by itself automatically. Disconnect your device. So I'll do that later. I did not connect anything. And all done.
Let's get you streaming. Here's a quick tour of your new Roku TV. We'll start with your remote. Press home at any time to return to the home screen. Back always returns to the previous
let's
star
open.
shows additional options. Press this button while streaming to see
You can
the
see
options.
there's a reflection there in the window.
Press and hold the mic button on voice remotes or the free Roku mobile app.
So you can
to
see
search
it's
for
showing
entertainment, control your streaming, and
the
more.
direction on how to use the remote.
Now let's check out your home menu. Visit streaming channels to find your favorites and discover new ones. Search to see where to stream things for free or at the lowest cost. Plus, be sure to check out the Roku channel for more free entertainment. And that's it. Happy streaming!
Okay, so that's how simple this layout is. That's why I like it. You have to go to the, let's say let's try to go to my Netflix. So we can see the reflection of the window. So for now we close that. So the other one. Yeah, that's a little bit. Okay, so let's sign in. This is my Netflix, so it says upgrade to Ultra HD for $4.50 for a month, so no thanks. This is fine. Yeah.
How is your left hook so strong?
The volume is loud enough and really a good upgrade compared to my previous TV, the Philips. You can see how dark the black color is and how bright it is. I'm not changing any setup yet. Let's try to look for apps like, of course, YouTube. Okay, so there's the apps and then add channel. Agree. I have to put my password. Now it's adding the channel. Okay. So it's here. This is our channel. Let's see. And yeah, it's nice. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.